I had a problem when I increased the volume in VMware. It doesn't work. No sounds are coming from the VMware, but in real PC, I have no sound issues. To fix this problem, you need to shut down the VMware, select this Edit Virtual Machine Settings, and go to Sound Card and check mark this Connect at Power On and select this Specify Host Sound Card and click on the drop down and select the device you used to hear. If you doesn't know what to select, then select the speaker icon in your main PC and click on this icon, select a sound output. Here you selected speaker Realtek audio. This is the one you hear in your main PC. So select that device, speaker Realtek audio, select the device and select OK. Now power on the virtual machine. Now sound is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.